University of Bristol has finally opened up their applications for the Think Big Scholarship, a video that many of you have been requesting for. And since we recently made a video on all scholarships offered by the University of Bristol, this is the most requested video where we will cover each and every single step of the Think Big Scholarship, which is the University of Bristol's flagship scholarship program. Hi everyone, my name is Prabhat and I am the head coach and founder at AdmitX. And today I am going to cover each and every step of the application process of the Think Big Scholarship. But before we begin, let's do a quick introduction. So the University of Bristol is one of the top ranked universities in the UK and a prestigious member of the Russell Group, and is especially well known for its teaching excellence and academic integrity. And the Think Big Scholarship is its flagship scholarship program, which is especially designed only for international students. The scholarship can cover up to £26,000, which is approximately 31 lakh rupees, and can significantly reduce your overall cost of studying at University of Bristol. अब application process जानने से पहले I think वो ज़्यादा important है कि आपको पता होना चाहिए what is the eligibility criteria. Because अगर eligibility criteria पता होगा, so your chances of getting the scholarship will be much higher. So to apply for the Think Big scholarship, you must fulfill 6 criteria. First is that you must apply to study a full-time in-person course, whether bachelor's or master's at the University of Bristol. Second, you must be an international fee-paying student, and you must receive an offer letter by the 24th of April 2026. अगर इससे पहले आपको ऑफर नहीं आया, then your scholarship application will be rejected. The fourth point is that you must meet all entry requirements as mentioned in your offer letter. And fifth, अगर आपके पास multiple offer letters हैं for different courses, then you have to choose one course to match the scholarship with. And finally, the scholarship is only valid for the September 2026 intake, and it cannot be deferred to the future intakes. But आपको scholarship apply करने से पहले एक बहुत important चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है, that you must already apply for a course at University of Bristol. इससे क्या होगा that you will get an applicant ID or student ID or Kaplan ID or UCAS ID depending on your exact course. So मतलब there are two things that you need to get. First, apply for a course at University of Bristol, and second, receive your applicant ID. Now sometimes this applicant ID takes 24 hours to generate, so be patient and make sure that you only apply once you have the applicant ID in hand. So now that you know the basic eligibility criteria, that you must apply to one of the courses first and then you can apply for the scholarship. So let's actually get to the main point, which is how to apply for the scholarship. And we will do one sample application together step by step. So let's go to my screen. So Think Big Scholarship को apply करने के लिए you first have to come to the official website of the University of Bristol and उसके scholarship page पे, and इस पेज का लिंक I will put in the description. So इस पेज पे अगर आप नीचे थोड़ा सा स्क्रॉल करोगे, so you will see the application link for the Think Big Scholarship and आपको इस पे क्लिक करना है. इस लिंक पे क्लिक करने के बाद a new form will open up, and इस फॉर्म पे आपको वही email ID यूज करनी है which you used for your University of Bristol course application. देन लॉगिन करने के बाद आपको कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिखेंगे अपनी स्क्रीन पे, जिसमें आपको बेसिक डिटेल्स मिलेंगी ऑन हाउ द स्कॉलरशिप एक्चुअली वर्क्स. तो यहाँ पे आपको इस क्वेश्चन का आपको पहले येस आंसर करना है, एंड तभी वो आपको आगे जाने देगा, अदरवाइज वो फॉर्म वहीं पर क्लोज हो जाएगा. देन हियर यू नीड द एप्लीकेशन ID विच वी टॉक्ड अबाउट अर्लियर. So let's say that we are applying for the master's course, so we will select postgraduate, and then यहाँ पे हमें अपनी basic details enter करनी है. So I will enter some basic dummy details, but आपको यहाँ पर अपनी real details भी यूज करना है. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको डिक्लेयर करना है अगर आपने ऑलरेडी कोई और स्कॉलरशिप के लिए अप्लाई किया है या नहीं किया है. अगर नहीं किया है, सो यू कैन लीव दिस क्वेश्चन ब्लैंक. देन यू हैव टू आंसर कि अगर आपको थिंक बिग स्कॉलरशिप ग्रांट हो जाती है, तो हाउ विल यू फंड द रिमेनिंग कॉस्ट ऑफ योर स्टडी एट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ब्रिस्टल. बिकॉज द स्कॉलरशिप अमाउंट कैन बी एनीवेयर बिटवीन £6,500 to £26,000. सो देर विल स्टिल बी सम अमाउंट लेफ्ट जो आपको स्टिल फाइनेंस करना होगा थ्रू अदर मीन्स. सो वो आपको यहाँ पर एक्सप्लेन करना होगा. नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज ये क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछ रहा है कि आपको कितना स्कॉलरशिप के लिए कंसिडर होना है. सो देर आर 3 अमाउंट्स. वन इज £6,500, £13,000 and £26,000. So there are two options that you only want to consider for £26,000, या you are okay with all 3 amounts. तो here हम select कर लेते हैं कि we want to be considered for all three amounts. So now we get to the main part of the scholarship application, where you have to answer 3 separate questions for 1000 characters each. Remember, these are 1000 characters, not words. So 1000 characters are between 150 to 190 words approximately. And now we will go through each one of these questions, how to answer them, so you can actually increase your chances of getting this scholarship. But remember that these questions change every single year. So अभी जो questions हम लोग review करेंगे, these are only valid for the 2026 intake. And this is possible that previous intakes में and future intakes में ये questions change हो जाए. So the first question is that Think Big aims to support the brightest and best individuals with the talent and drive to be future change makers. Please describe any special attributes or accomplishments that you believe would make an ideal candidate for a Think Big scholarship. Now, इस question को answer करने के लिए you have to showcase what makes you unique, whether it is your skills, achievements, or values. And don't just talk about marks here. Talk about real examples from your life, such as your internships, projects, and even significant moments in your life which have had a major impact on you. And इस आंसर को और ज़्यादा strong बनाने के लिए you have to show positive impact, especially in situations जहाँ पे आपने एक बहुत difficult problem को solve किया हो. And you have to then connect it to how you can be a future change maker, especially at University of Bristol. But make sure that your stories are not too long, because you have a very strict character limit of only 1000 characters. So to give you an idea of what a strong answer looks like, here is a sample answer that we have already written for you. Make sure that you don't copy this, because definitely आपकी application reject हो जाएगी. But take inspiration and try to connect it to what I said earlier about how you can show yourself to be a future change maker at University of Bristol. So chalo, now let's go to the second question. The second question is that Think Big scholars serve as international ambassadors to the university and understand the importance of building strong relationships. Please give an example of when you have demonstrated clear leadership and or teamworking skills. Now, इस question को answer करने के लिए my personal suggestion is that you should pick one example from your life, whether it is an internship, a project work, or even a student society event. But you have to explain it in detail and to actually explain what the challenge was, what you did, and what was the end result using the STAR framework. You can highlight your skills such as problem solving, communication, leading a team, and even organizing, and then connect it to how you can be a good ambassador for the University of Bristol. But make sure that you don't try to take all the credit, especially in group situations, or try to fake your experiences and try to show yourself as a leader where you were not. Now, again, I have a sample answer for you where we are doing exactly this, where we are using the STAR framework to explain a particular situation and how this student showed leadership in their different experiences. Now let's move to the final and the third question, which is, through Think Big, we aim to support students who have clear goals and ambitions for their future. Please explain your plans after graduation and how studying your chosen program at the University of Bristol will help you achieve your goals. This is a classic future goals question where you have to explain both your short-term and long-term goals after graduating. And you should also connect them to how the university will help you achieve these goals. You can also mention how this particular scholarship will help you financially and even help you focus on your studies. But try to keep your answers realistic and don't make the entire answer only about money. And two more mistakes to avoid. Don't mention unrelated goals from your course and your background, because that reflects poor career planning. And finally, don't say that you have no idea of your future, because again, the university wants to see that you have already thought about and have already planned your career. And here is a sample answer of a student who wants to work in public policy and human rights. Notice how both the short-term and the long-term goals are extremely specific and also connected to the student's background. अब scholarship application में ये तीनों essays के questions लिखने के बाद just click on next to the next step. And यहाँ पे you have to enter some basic details such as how did you actually get to know about the Think Big scholarship. This question will not really make any difference on the outcome, so pick the most relevant answer out of the options. Then just tick on all the terms and conditions and go to the final review page where you can review all of your details which you have entered before, so that you can cross check that all details are correct. And you can even see all of your essay answers once again, so you can just proofread whether you actually missed something or not. And then you just have to click on the submit application button to formally submit your application, and you will see the thank you button, which is like a confirmation that your scholarship application has been submitted to the University of Bristol. So this was the complete guide and the step-by-step process of how you can apply for the Think Big scholarship for the 2026 intake. But remember one thing, that the scholarship application deadline is 10th April 2026 and the results will be out sometime before May. So keep an eye out on your email for updates. If you like this video and you want me to cover more such scholarships in detail, then just comment the names below and I will cover them in our future videos. And if you have any doubts about filling out the application for the Think Big scholarship, or if you need help from one of our experts, then click the link in the description and book a personalized session with one of our study abroad experts, and they will help you end to end every step of the journey.